Nurses are burnt out, caregivers are stretched, and elderly people living alone often go unmonitored. In my last video, we looked at how AI is reshaping the nursing role and saving up to 12 hours a week. But what if AI could also quietly watch over your elderly parents, neighbors, or even you without hiring extra help? Let me show you a tiny automation I built using Apple Health and an 8N. I call it Elder Watch. This is a simple system that checks daily vitals like heart rate, oxygen, and walking symmetry using data from an iPhone or Apple Watch. If something looks off, say oxygen drops or heart rate spikes, it flags that as attention required, and depending on that status, it can either email a daily report to a caregiver or, if there's an alert, trigger a phone call or WhatsApp message. Think of it like a mini nurse that never sleeps, just enough automation to give peace of mind. Let me break down the automation. Step 1. I use this Apple Shortcuts app to send health data to an N8N webhook. You don't need iCloud access when it just fires off a post request with vitals. You do need to allow health data to be read. Step 2. In our automation, we check each reading. Is blood oxygen below 92? Is walking symmetry abnormal? Based on thresholds, it labels the report all good or attention required. Step 4. If attention is needed, it triggers a Twilio voice call to a caregiver and reads out a spoken message using AI. Step 5. If everything's normal, it quietly sends a summary via email. Let's run it. Here's a sample input from my iPhone. Heart rate, blood oxygen, walking symmetry. The N8N flow reads this, flags a concern, and instantly kicks off a phone call to the registered caregiver. If call is placed, it will play a message on these lines. If you want to build your own version, I'll share the full N8N workflow in the description. You'll need an Apple device, iPhone or watch, a self-hosted or cloud N8N instance, a Twilio account for automated phone calls, or if you're looking for automation such as this for your clinic, business or product, reach out. I build custom automations and partner with companies to turn small ideas into scalable systems. Contact details are below. If you missed it, check out the main video. Can AI replace nurses? We break down which parts of the job AI can handle and which should stay human. If you're building an automation or AI, let's talk. This is Pangster. See you in the next one.